Hey everyone, happy Monday. Welcome to week 3 of your nutrition challenge. So this week is going to be all about meal prepping. Meal prepping is a great way to help you stay on track during the week. It also can help you save money, it can help you control your portion sizes, and it can also reduce your extra calorie intake that you would receive from eating out at a restaurant. So this week's challenge is going to be to prepare one recipe from our website, which I'll link below. And there's tons of great recipes on there, so you just have to choose one to meal prep this week. One of my favorites on there is the egg muffins. They're a great recipe to prepare for the week, and they're great for breakfast. And I find breakfast is one of the most difficult meals for people to make sure that they stay on track with. Because usually you're on the go in the morning, you're always in a rush, you're always in a hurry. So it's a great recipe to choose to try if you want to try something for breakfast. But there's tons of other great recipes on there. So once again, your challenge this week is to prepare one recipe from the website, which, like I said, I'll link below. And I can't wait to see what you guys prepare. So post a picture or email Rob whatever recipe you prepare and let us know what you think. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a great week.